The story of Oldsmobile is one of innovation, resilience, and transformation, spanning more than a century of automotive history. Beginning in 1901 with the release of the Curved Dash, Oldsmobile became a pioneer in mass automobile production and left a lasting impact on the car industry. The Curved Dash Oldsmobile is widely recognized as America's first mass-produced gasoline-powered vehicle, built on an assembly line system before Henry Ford made it famous. Compact, affordable, and reliable for its time, it introduced the automobile to a broader audience and established Oldsmobile as a brand synonymous with progress. Throughout the early decades of the 20th century, Oldsmobile continued to innovate, producing vehicles that emphasized comfort, reliability, and style, which allowed the company to grow as a key part of the General Motors family. As the brand matured, Oldsmobile pushed the limits of engineering and design. In 1901, it became the first carmaker to use a speedometer, a feature now standard in every vehicle. In the 1930s, Oldsmobile was one of the first to experiment with automatic transmissions, leading to the introduction of the Hydramatic in 1940, which revolutionized driving convenience and performance. These advancements cemented Oldsmobile's reputation as an innovator within GM, always willing to take bold steps ahead of its competitors. By the late 1940s, the company introduced one of its most iconic achievements, the legendary Rocket V8 engine. This powertrain not only elevated Oldsmobile's performance but also ushered in the golden age of American muscle cars, inspiring a new generation of drivers who craved speed and excitement. The 1950s and 1960s marked the height of Oldsmobile's popularity, with models like the Rocket 88, the Starfire, and the ever-popular Cutlass capturing the hearts of consumers. Oldsmobile also made history in 1966 by launching the front-wheel drive Toronado, a car that combined futuristic styling with advanced engineering. This bold step set the stage for other GM divisions to adopt front-wheel drive technology, showing once again that Oldsmobile was a leader rather than a follower. By the 1970s, the Cutlass became America's best-selling car, securing Oldsmobile's place as a mainstream powerhouse. Collectors and enthusiasts often regard this period as the brand's golden era, when innovation, performance, and style came together in perfect balance. Like many automotive brands, Oldsmobile faced challenges as the market shifted in the 1980s and 1990s. Increasing competition from imports, changing consumer preferences, and a series of design missteps weakened its dominance. Still, Oldsmobile continued to innovate, introducing models such as the aerodynamic Achieva and the technologically advanced Aurora. The Aurora, launched in the mid-1990s, represented Oldsmobile's attempt to redefine itself with sleek styling, refined performance, and modern engineering. It stood as a symbol of what the brand could achieve in the modern era, winning praise from critics even as sales slowed. Sadly, despite its rich history and groundbreaking achievements, Oldsmobile could not overcome the challenges of the new millennium. In 2004, General Motors officially ended Oldsmobile production, closing the chapter on America's oldest surviving car brand. From the Curved Dash to the Aurora, Oldsmobile's journey is a legacy of innovation, design excellence, and cultural influence. Though the brand no longer produces vehicles, its impact on automotive history remains undeniable, inspiring car enthusiasts, collectors, and historians worldwide.